Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be a very pretty bumblebee yellow and aqua blue look. I know that I've done a look similar to this, like maybe this is my third time, but I don't think I've ever added blue underneath the lower lash line. When I asked you guys for inspiration, which thank you guys so much for always just coming in clutch whenever I am not having, sometimes the juices just don't flow, and that's when you guys come in. Some of you guys actually sent me pictures and asked me to recreate a blue and yellow look, so I took out some palettes, played with a few different ones. Today we're going to be using some Morphe palettes, which I know you guys love when I use those, so I hope you guys enjoy that. That is it, you guys. I don't have any updates for you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy more colorful summer looks. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free 99 and you can join my family. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Grab a drink, grab your hot Cheetos, your limon, your Takis, your Doritos, Tapatio, limon, whatever it is you guys have. And let's go ahead and get started with this summer makeup look. I'm going to start off by taking the Morphe M433 brush. This one is perfect for packing on any color. Today's palette is going to be the Dose of Colors Baked Browns palette. This one is so good, so pigmented, so creamy, and so easy to blend. Mine is dirty, but that's okay. I'm going to start off with the darkest shade in the palette, which is Rock Bottom. It is a deep dark brown. This one is going to go into the outer corners. Do you guys see how much pigment this has? Yeah. I'm going to start by packing that on right here. This is the color that I'm really going to keep close to the eyelid because this is the color that I want to really pop. I am going to bring this in. I'm going to use that same brush and just clean it off using my Bareminerals color switch. And I'm going to use the second shade right next to it, which is Cherry Wood. This is a gorgeous red tone brown. And again, I'm just going to apply it right where that brown is, just meeting those two colors. And I am using the tip of the brush. So I am taking the original Jaclyn Hill palette, and you don't have to use this, but you can actually probably create this look with just this palette. I'm going to take the mustard shade, and that's the one that I'm laying at the very top. This is just going to help us blend everything, and it's going to look really pretty. And because we are applying yellow on the lid, it's just going to go really well together. Okay, now that we look beautiful, what I'm going to do is I am going to take my brush one more time, the Morphe M443. I'm just going to clean it, and now we're going to start blending. I'm just going to fast forward this part, or just kind of like let you guys enjoy it and watch it. I'm also going to be using the Morphe M507, which you guys know is one of my favorite brushes of life because it is just so precise. So you will see me go back and forth between brushes, and I will list them down below, but for now, cue the music and enjoy the blending. Whew, that took so much blending, you guys. Oh my god, I feel like I've been blending for hours. Okay, I'm going to go back with my concealer, and I'm going to do my cut crease, and then we're going to add the yellow, we're going to add the blue, and this look is going to be so fire. I can't wait to see you guys' recreation. Seriously, you guys take my breath away whenever you guys recreate a look. Okay, now that we have that, going back into my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I am going to take the shade No Joke, which is a vibrant yellow. I don't know if I have any other yellows as pretty as this one. I personally really do like it. I'm going to go back into my Dose of Colors eyeshadow and apply the darkest brown on the outer corners. And then going back into that cherry color. I'm going to go in with a smaller, more detailed brush, and once again, I'm going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm sorry that I'm using so many palettes, you guys, but you can just customize it to your liking. And I'm going to take both of these shades that are down here. I'm first going to start off with the matte shade, and I'm going to apply that underneath the waterline. And I am going to use this BH Cosmetics Power Pencil in the shade Teal. And I'm going to throw that into the waterline. Then for the inner corners, I'm using my favorite pigment of life, which is Floral White by J.Cat Beauty. I mean, do I need to tell you why? This is just stunning. For my lashes, I am using Leo by Lash Kitty. These lashes are super cute, a little bit perky, not too much, just like the perfect amount of sassiness. And this, you guys, completes today's look for Makeup Monday. What do you guys think of this super cute yellow and blue look? I am just so inspired by summer in general, so you guys are going to see so many more summer makeup looks. If you guys are wondering what is on my lips, I used the KKW lip liner in Nude 2, and I used the NYX Shout Loud lipstick. Oh my god, I don't know where it went. I literally had it a second ago, and it just disappeared, but I will have it listed in the description box down below. Please recreate this look, please, because I cannot wait to see your guys' recreations. As always, tag me on Instagram or send me your pictures through my DM. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye!